Lynette's throwing the Mosquito. Go ahead. Well, that's not too bad. Lynette on 8. Ooh, that's just perfect. Right there, Lynette. Lynette is parked. Lynette on 9.
How long do you have to do that?
I don't know, we're just making a lifestyle.
Oh, that's a good throw, Lynette. Lynette is parked with the Mosquito. Lynette on 10 with the Mosquito.
Oh, wow. Thanks. Because that is...
Nice throw. Lynette on 11.
Well, she's on.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice throw. Lynette on 12. Oh, she got through there. Oh. Oh, oh, stay there. Lynette on 15. Oh, she got a little high. On 18. Let's see what she does here. Oh, didn't allow for the fade.